Let's continue writing the method. While the queue is not empty, extracting the first one, it's not in the queue anymore. Pushing it to the ready array, finding the coordinates of its upper right corner and adding 1 by x, checking them, finding the y coordinate of its lower right corner, and the most interesting thing, we are using the same function to cover the right border of this rectangle with other rectangles. Thus, the queue will be replenished with new rectangles for which this function will also be called. In order for this not to continue infinitely, we need these checks. It remains only to rewrite the drawing function and check how it will work. We are drawing all rectangles from the array of ready-made ones. Let's test it. It seems to be true. And how do we know if there are errors? Let's write a function for this. We are intersecting all the rectangles each with each. As we can see, the array is empty, so there are no intersections. Let's continue in the next video.